I got this dog, and he's kind of special to me. I'd like to tell you all about him. I like my dog, I'm fond of that mud. When I come home, he gives me all of his love. He licks my face after licking his butt. I like my dog a little too much. Even my best friends, they don't barf on my rug, but he sure does. They don't pee in my shoe. Well, there was that one time, or try and hump my girlfriend. Well, actually they do. That's why I like my dog. I'm fond of that mud. When I come home, gives me all of his love. He licks my face, smells suspiciously of blood.